Common ADHD symptoms in men include difficulty concentrating, starting many hobbies and ventures but not following through fully, difficulty managing time and responsibilities, shifts in mood or poor emotional regulation, chronic procrastination leading to difficulty at work and school, difficulty facing rejection or criticism, acting without assessing the negative consequences, so this is where the impulsivity comes in, often making simple mistakes at work or at school. This is the inattentive portion of the subtype of ADHD. Restlessness or feeling fidgety, often failing to follow along in conversation, so difficulty paying attention. ADHD in women versus men. So there is a difference and symptoms present differently. However, both men and women can both experience the same symptoms from all three subtypes of ADHD. Females with ADHD are slightly more likely to present inattentive symptoms versus impulsive or hyperactive symptoms. Like with many other disorders, manifested differences really rely heavily on someone's roles and expectations within social environments. Easier and earlier diagnosis. So men tend to receive an ADHD diagnosis way sooner in life than women do. This is due to the more overt nature of the symptoms. Masculine behaviors are typically more noticeable and exasperate stereotypical male characteristics. In academic and professional settings, these actions can be disruptive, thus receiving more attention than inattentive behaviors exhibited by women. So issues with relationships. This is important to discuss because ADHD can impact relationships. Men with ADHD can be extremely conflict avoidant, which can be difficult in a healthy relationship. They may be easily annoyed or hard to calm down. So this goes back to the emotional dysregulation or difficulty regulating emotion. Because of this, relationships with significant others, family members, and friends can be negatively impacted. Additionally, conflicts may arise with the tendency to be messy or seeming lack of attention to details. So this might look like forgetting to put the toilet seat down, making a mess in the bathroom, not picking up after yourself, leaving all the cabinet doors open, kitchen, etc. So this can take a toll on your relationship if your partner really values a tidy home. So what does treatment for ADHD in men look like? So the go-to treatment is usually medication and therapy combined. We have a video on medication and therapy for ADHD, and we'll tag it in the description. But we see a lot of success in the combined treatment of medication, which will be either a stimulant or non-stimulant, and then therapy. There's a lot of success with CBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, and DBT, which is dialectical behavioral therapy. So there are options out there. There are a lot of coping skills you can implement in your day-to-day life at home for a better quality of life. So final thoughts on ADHD in men. While both men and women can experience the same or all symptoms of the ADHD subtypes, men usually show more overt symptoms, and we see that women are showing more inattentive symptoms than men. There are effective treatments out there for you, so you don't have to suffer. She does not have to negatively impact your quality of life. If you or a loved one are struggling with ADHD, you don't have to do it alone. Talking to a therapist that specializes in ADHD can help you understand your symptoms better. We've linked some valuable resources in the description and comments to help you find a therapist, psychiatrist, and other useful resources. Check them out.